This is the Lewis Cooking Show.
With Cyril.
Okay.
AKA Mama, right? And Henry and Everett.
Okay. What are
Henry
you?
and Ever are going to be the background.
Okay. What are you making, Chef Lewis?
Special rolls.
Yeah.
And how do you do that?
Get rolls and get some paper and then paint them with this.
Yeah. This is oil. Do you remember why we paint them with oil?
So you like you look into them and you find which one you get.
And what are you writing on the paper here? Why did you choose these things?
Because it's half of our things.
these
Family, home, mom, love, and Rose Lewis.
And you put those pieces of paper in your rolls?
Why do you write on them? Are these things that you're thankful for, Lewis?
Yep.
Very nice.
Home.
So you're painting a little oil on it?
It doesn't burn up in the oven, right?
And
There you go.
doing this.
There you go. Perfect. And you put them in the oven for the normal time for crescent rolls, and then you open them up, and then you get to see what everyone's thankful for. Right? Good job, Lewis.
And the camera is cooking with Lewis. I made this rope. I made this rope piece. I made this rope.